Hello YouTube stackers, this is ST with Silver Stacking 101, where we always believe in staying stacked and packed, stacked with silver, gold, food, ammo, and packed with the means necessary to defend our stack. Today is Wednesday, March 28th, 2018. I have been promising you guys for quite some time I was going to put up a video with my silver outlook for the remainder of the year. Please keep in mind two items. Number one, the price range I am going to give is for my personal use. I'm just sharing it with you guys to be part of the online discussion in the silver community. The second issue I wish to point out is an unforeseen catastrophic event could take everything I'm about to say off the table. Clear on those 2 points. I looked at the following points when developing my silver outlook. Number one, industrial demand. Industrial demand should increase as orders for durable goods, which quite often contain silver, increase due to a strengthening economy, employment numbers, and a strengthening wage base. However, there is excess capacity within the silver supply chain. Therefore, the excess capacity will be able to absorb most of the increase, if not all, in the demand. I have moderately weighted in my analysis supply and demand affecting price. The second issue I looked at was investor demand. Investor interest should remain relatively flat, as there are more attractive investments for short-term gains available in the market. People are not going to adopt a defensive position right now. What we've seen in investor interest, I believe, will continue. The third element I looked at was the relative strength of the U.S. dollar. The Treasury Secretary said in January the United States would go to a weak dollar if necessary. I consider the possibility of that occurring remote, and I did not factor it into my price range. The fourth element I looked at, which is going to be the primary driver to price, was inflation. There are two drivers in the market now for inflation. The first is the economy is improving overall. Wages are increasing. We should have more consumption, some inflation in the market overall from the increased economic activity. The second issue was the trade dispute with China. I do believe that will have inflationary pressures be introduced into the economy. Taking all these factors into consideration, I believe silver is set to rise in value. My personal range I'm looking at for December is between 17 and a quarter per troy ounce until 1850 on the high end. So silver, I do believe, will increase in price prior to year end for the reasons I stated. Please comment, agree, disagree. Give me a thumbs up. If you disagree, tell me why. If you agree, tell me why. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Stay stacked and packed.